we got a baseline of this extremely clean C6 Z. Bone stock with K&N and Borla. So I'm gonna go with 482. You got a guess for this thing?
500.
500? Right on the money. 487. 487. One more pull. Alright guys, so next up is this C6 Z me and Matt just baseline. Really clean car. And I believe it's just getting a set of heads. So should be nice, simple for Matt. It'll be cool to see what it picks up. How excited are you to be working on C6, man?
I don't mind it.
Anything but a Camaro, I guess.
A long time since I've done one of these.
Alright, looks like Matt's already got the AI heads on already. Flying right through this car. Quick and easy build for him. Now this guy can enjoy his car without having to worry about valve drop. Alright, well, looks like Matt got this car buttoned up pretty good. Got the fresh AI heads on it. First start up, sounds good. Everything's looking good, so this thing's ready for the dyno.
...2007 C6 Z, came in here with a K&N, a Borla, and a tune. We just put cylinder heads on it. And then now I'm tuning it. The only difference. They usually pick up like 40 or so with heads in a tune. And this thing is like stock thermostat and shit still. I don't know how many miles on this thing. The clutch does not feel great. 17,000, almost 18,000 actually. Dude, I don't know why, but cars with aftermarket head units, the beep gets so friggin' loud. And it's so annoying. Like, listen to that. God, that is annoying. Pull some fuel out of this pig. more than that though. I know so. And I already called it would make 526 and it just made 526, 487. Yeah, because it was still rich and it's got like no timing in it. I mean, I don't know how much more timing it'll take, but it's definitely rich. Took fuel out, but I also took a little timing out. Took it half a degree. For 91. I think that dude's here for my trailer. Alright, little cool down. Probably like an hour because I sold my trailer, so I was dealing with that. Maybe it wasn't that long, maybe 45 minutes. See what we got. It was spinning. The torque's gonna be stupid low. Can you put more VHT on it?
Still spinning?
Yeah, well, because it's cold. Look, it dropped 40 foot-pounds of torque. .34 it made. I didn't even look because I noticed torque was real low. We'll see what this one does. .538, 495. Either way, that thing's stout. 541 and it baseline. What did this thing baseline? 485. So it picked up 55 or 56, something around there. We'll put it here. Either way, that's stout. Like I said, heads only. It already had an air intake and a catback and a tune. But other than that, it's stock manifold, stock cats, 540 the tire. That's pretty stout. Like I said, for people who don't want a cam, and you know, even if you don't want a cam, you can still do headers and heads, you know, but a lot of people just want the peace of mind, so they just get the heads done, and it's a solid thing to do. Either way, hit us up, subscribe. Later.